another video. Like that, we better something from Shein, not even if to work one mic. So today we'll be doing a unboxing. Amazon unboxing, right? So let's get into it. This one you open. And you can open it because I wasn't sure what was in what, and I had some stuff to submit. So let me just start with that. So this is a journal. I got this sent to me to promote for Father's Day. But because where girl is located, I got late. But nevertheless, it's a nice journal that can be used throughout the year for women and men. So it's not just for men alone, women and men. I will leave the link in, but all links are in the description box. So if you want to check it out, we can. So let me show you what's in it. Let me quickly pull it, because I know you guys don't. Oh, I like how the cover feels. I like it. Oh, I will leave a coupon code. I have a coupon code for the one purchase this. It's Petal 10. I'll put it on the screen. Get 10% off. Alright. So it has like goals. Has goals in it, and I'll show you. Yeah. So you can write your goals. Your commitment, when you're doing goals, it's smart goals. So you have to go there, and you just describe your perfect day, just within like an introspection type of thing. So I like it, and it has daily quotes up top. So each page has a different quote just to inspire and motivate you. So every day you put something in. What is your top goals for today? Your top affirmation and what you're grateful for. And in the night, you say what went well today and what you can improve upon. So it's a very positive book. So I'll be using it. And at the back, you can just write just some small victories, looking back over the years, a yearly reflection and so forth. I like this journal. As I said before, I didn't know what was going to be sent to me, but I really like it, and I'll leave the link in the description box as well as my coupon code. Alright, so I'll be using this because I need some more positivity in my life. So should I go for the small one first? I like to open this stuff. Even though sometimes I'm not emotional, like Amazon is thing, I can one little something in the box, one big little box, and one item in it. Hurt me. But anyways, we move on. As I said before, I think I need to change the name of it to Chanel, because oh my god, it's melted. My gummies are melted. Oh my god. Anyways, as I was saying before, there's never a video I don't come here and show some supplement. So I had this before. It's a women's multivitamin by Vitafusion. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. It melts. The plastic melts. Oh my god, oh my days. So I will have to reach out to the seller, because this just look like a regular overdose in our one. If me for judge what is 2 gummies or one. Oh, there's a one good overdose of one. So this next thing now, which this is one of the things I have to submit. It's by Forest Leaf Organic. I don't know if do this. Forest Leaf Organic Sea Moss with burdock and bladder rock. 90 capsules per minute. And it's 3 capsules a day with food. Interesting. When these things are sent to me, I don't know half the benefits or anything for it. Posture, girl, posture. But I'll read it up. And see. But I know CMAS is good. But others, I know the name, but I don't know much about it. Right? So, as I said, every channel, every video, it's not a video if I don't show you supplements. But it's what being sent to me now. It's what being sent to me. Right? So, let me open this one. And look for the big stuff. I'm trying not to give you a long video. So, let's just see. Oh my god. This is a master lock, right? Let me tell you something about this. This is for the girlies then. We always have a bag of things to walk with and you want to go on the beach or the hotel and want to go to the pool. So now, this, you can put your belongings in it and strap it to the lounge chair or the hotel or at the beach. It's a combination, right? So the people who walk past and probably get ready to people things for person stuff. They can't get it basically. Oh, how come it's a good box? I don't know what this is. But let me show you. I saw it and I was like, I really want this. So sometimes I'm at the beach and I want to bring my phone. Well, I always have my phone, but I want to go in the water. Yes, my phone is waterproof, but it's not like that. But make everyone else. Nah. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I really wanted to reserve the box. But it did though. It did. So let me see what's happening here. Oh, this is a combination. Oh, you open this. Right. This is where you can wrap around and cook it back down here. So, you know that hole there, right? On the chair or anything to keep the things them safe. There's a color, but I like this because it's not so loud. So let me open it now. Alright, it's not bad. It can't hold enough things, but you know, because you can put the phone in there without the case. You can put the phone in there without the case and your other stuff then. So it's like your cash. You can put your cash in there, like your cards, your car key. That is one thing. Because when I go in the water, like it's a beach I go, hotel that's different, right? There's a beach that my car keep on me and my jewelry them and stuff. You can't go straight in on this, right? This cannot be cut so easily, so unless them come prepared at the hotel or beach or wherever you're there with body of water where you want to enjoy yourself, them have to come prepared to get it, right? So let me say, it's have a like weight as well. So you put the stuff then in there, wrap it. I don't even know if you have to wrap it. You don't have to wrap it. You can just hook it, right, like this. Yeah, and then you set the code, the combination what you want. I will not set it now, obviously. Obviously, I won't set it now. But I can't wait to use it. And I like how inside feels. It's not going to scrape up nothing feel. It's quite soft. It's like a styrofoam type of thing. So you can throw your phone in it, your money, your tools, whatever, your credit card and something, earbuds, the earphone and something there, you can straight in it. And you just lock it, enjoy a little self, but I would still keep the eyes, you know, just glance everything I can, glance, and ensure there's stuff is still there. Alright? Give me a minute. So, a next supplement. This is by Rainbow Nutrient. It's hormone balance and probiotics. It's a natural all-in-one woman support. It manages mood and hot flashes, PMS, and also menopause symptoms. So this is it. And you don't know how to. I can still put pictures, in the frame and so forth. So it has in 120 capsules. It's a 2-month supply, right? So it's 2 capsules daily. And it has in some good herbs in it. A nice blend. Alright, so let me see the date. 2027. Of course, I'm not experiencing menopause, but I think it can still help, as I said, with PMS symptoms. So I guess I can use it. I can give mommy. I can give mommy. I think she's more closer to that than I am. Nothing she is. So we'll give mother this. Yeah. So that is what it is about this one. So let me see what is here. This is the Silk Light. So I put down leave 2 more left. Hey, I'm wicked, Anyways, these are my gift bags. I didn't know that I said in the previous video that I sell fragrances. So I was out of gift bag, but I have the date bag, right? Now with the mesh, this is a nice one here in the handle one, right? So this is just a regular gift bag. The size is I think it's an 8x11, but the one's so big. Really, it will do. I like the colors. It's assorted. I couldn't remember the last one I purchased. So I just purchased one of these and hope the size was big enough. It is big enough. I think too big. But yeah, it can work. It can work. It's 5 fragrances, so like including candle, perfume, colognes. Of course it can work. So this is just my personal purchase. And this snow, like a buckle here. Can you see? So this is Vita Up Weight Management, a 2-month supply. So it's 60 capsules in it. Berberine. I don't know what berberine does, but it's 1 capsule once daily. And you should take it. It's advised to take it 20 to half an hour before a meal with 8 fluid. 1 glass of water, basically. This I'm quite interested to see what the benefits of this berberine does. Because I kind of want to lose a little bit of weight. So it's going to curb my diet and I'm going to eat much. But I'm going to see how this is going to benefit me. Guys, as you know that with all medications there is side effects, and with all drugs there may be a good or bad interaction. I know you've seen me advertise a lot of supplements on this channel so far. For the past month, I've shown so many supplements. I cannot speak on them, unfortunately, because I cannot combine these supplements together. Because I don't know if it's going to react in a good way or a bad way. So what I do, I take my supplement in stages. So I know you guys probably asked about comments on these supplements or what I've showed you before. But if I'm not finished with the bottle, or I haven't started it as yet, I cannot comment on it. What I will do though, whenever I do finish a course or something, if I was compliant, because I'm not really compliant, even though I preach compliant, but anyways, we shall not go there. I will definitely let you know how I feel about that specific product or item or herb. I will let you know, but for now we just can't mention it because you see a lot of things now get me supplement wise. We can't sample everything at once. It's just no, not safe to do so. So we're on to the last box, and I think we're in good timing. We're in good timing, and this I wanna see. Where they? Oh, okay. Cause I'm supposed to review something, right, for a brand, and me I open all the boxes and me never see it. But it's here. It's here. So one more again, I'm going to change this channel name. You know, this is supposed to be a Pills and Potion, but after multiple tries, multiple purchases, I finally purchased the correct magnesium salt. Magnesium glycinate is the best one, has the best absorption. I have a big old bottle of magnesium oxide. We have magnesium citrate, 2 different magnesium citrate. We finally get magnesium glycinate, the correct one. You know, I'm going with the others, guys. The one I need this one. So this is 60 capsule, right? It supports the muscle relaxation, heart, nerve, and bone health. High absorption. This is the correct one, right? So 60 capsule coming, and it's 2 daily. It is advised that you take magnesium at night. Works best at night. That's advice. So I'll take it at night. Starting tonight. So yes. And this now them a hunt me down, review them something. And it's a privacy screen for your laptop. So it's Vintez premium privacy screen, blue light and UV protection, privacy protection, anti-glare, scratch resistant, lifetime warranty, right? So I will have to install this on my laptop to present to the people them. And yeah, so any questions, you can put it in the comment section. If you have any suggestion of what you want me to review, drop it in the comment section. Please like, please comment. Well, that's in the comment. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And click that notification bell so you know when the next video upload, right? Thank you as always for your continued support. And remember to follow me on all socials because I'm now on live for TikTok. You can catch my Instagram. I think I'm more active on TikTok. But catch my Instagram, Facebook. Well, not really Instagram and TikTok, but mainly TikTok, right? So you can catch me on those. Follow me, share to a friend, to a friend, to a friend, to a brother, to a uncle, to a cousin, to the neighbor dog. Alright? So, bye, lovelies.